Hey everybody, I'm going to try to make a video here putting mantle on this liner. I dropped it, knocked one off, tied that one on with a string, so I'm going to put this one on. It says Insta Clip. It's got a wire. It's got a wire on it. Out here camping on Cherokee Lake. I've got another coleman liner set up. Don't really need this one, but I'm gonna see. That's pretty sturdy right there. Wow. That's some stiff wire. Well, that's all there is to it. That one, well, no, I'm gonna replace that one. See, look, it just fell off. That ain't worth a crap. Get that off there. They dry up like cigarette ashes. So where's my other one? I dropped it. Okay, got these at Walmart. They've been out of them for a few weeks. Finally they got some. Also, Walmart ain't had no split shot sinkers for fishing. They've been out of them for 2 or 3 months. Don't know what's up with that. I got me some off eBay. I don't know if this is how you're supposed to do it or not. Of course, none of us ever read instructions because we're men and we know it all, and we don't read instructions. I don't see why that won't work. So I put a propane tank on the bottom of this. This pulls off. Put that on the bottom of the tank and it holds it up. But I'm gonna hang it on a tripod, like that tripod. I got 3 of those tripods. It's a tripod come off a graveyard that holds a reef. Someone threw them away and my wife picked them up. We didn't get them off a graveyard. They were threw away beside the road in the town where we live in a pile of garbage. They threw them away for the city to pick up, those tripods, and my wife got them. So anyway, there you have it. Camping on Cherokee Lake. Got the kerosene lantern over there. I'm gonna run overnight with this light on the battery. This coleman lantern. So works out pretty good. I would make a video using it, but I ain't got the propane on it. So that's all you do, just twist the wire clips on there. I'll be back.